The importance of skill cannot be overemphasized. No matter your qualifications today, add a skill to it. Whether you have a BSc or MSc, add a skill to it. You will be glad you did. With a skill, you can make millions over a very short period of time. With a skill, you can decide to quit your 9-to-5 job and become your own boss. I'll be reading out different websites where you can learn 1 or 2 skills. Some of these websites are free, while some you get to pay a token. I've made videos on some valuable skills that are in high demand. I'll be linking them in the description box below for your perusal. You are welcome to my channel where I inform, educate, and entertain through series of creative and valuable contents. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos on business and personal development. Let's get started. The first website is DevKids.com. DevKids.com. This is for kids who wish to learn coding as a skill. DevKids.com. The next one is CodeMonkey. CodeMonkey.com is for kids too. This is CodeMonkey.com for kids who wish to learn coding as a skill. Next is CodaKids.com. This is also for kids, as the name implies. CodaKids.com. This is CodeAcademy.com. CodeAcademy.com. You join the millions learning to code with Codecademy for free. This is one of the websites where you can learn coding for free. All you have to do right now is to sign up. This is Codecademy.com. If you are interested, you check them out. The next one is Khan Academy. For every student, every classroom, you can get started here. This is Khan Academy. This is one of the websites where you can learn a skill. You can learn anything. This is Khan Academy. Here comes EGXorg. Here you start learning from the world's best institutions. They have over 3,000 courses. EGXorg. This is one of the websites where you can learn a skill. EGXorg. Here comes Alison.com. On Alison.com, you empower yourself with free online courses. They have about 21 million learners for today. This is Alison.com. You can learn a skill on Alison.com. The next one is Coursera.org. SAS Programmer Professional Certificate. This is one of the websites where you can learn a skill. If you want to learn coding, this is one of them. You enroll for free. They have 11,080 people enrolled already. You can join them. This is Coursera.com. Next on my list is Udemy. This is Udemy.com. Learning that gets you skills for your present and your future. Get started. This is Udemy.com. If you want to learn a skill, Udemy is a good one. This is Udemy.com. The next one here is udacitycom. Udacitycom is one of the websites where you can learn a skill today. This is Udacity's Talent Transformation Suite. This is udacitycom. The next website is Cadenze. Cadenze.com is one of the websites where you can learn a skill. Discover your creative education. Join Cadenze.com to take online courses from the world's leading universities, brands, and institutions in creative education. Find creative courses that inspire you. This is Cadenze.com. If you're interested, you can check it out. The next website where you can learn a skill today is on FutureLearn.com. You study online with a UK-based university for free. This is one of the free websites where you can learn a skill today. It is on FutureLearn.com. If you're interested, do check them out. FutureLearn.com. The next website where you can learn a skill for free is on Open Learning Initiative. Open Learning Initiative. You have face-to-face class, online or hybrid class. This is Open Learning Initiative. You can learn a skill today for free. Open Learning Initiative. The last but not the least website I'll be discussing today, where you can learn skills for free, is on online.stanford.edu. It's on Stanford Online. Here, you can learn a skill for free. This is the featured course. Stanford Online. Online.stanford.edu. You can learn a skill today. Do you have any skill already? Would you be adding one or two to it? What would that be? Let me know in the comment section below. I will see you in my next video. Cheers to your success. Bye-bye.